Welcome back to the Windows Club. Are you stuck at the Windows 11 login screen and unable to get into your desktop? If Windows keeps refusing to sign you in or you need to troubleshoot a driver or start a problem, Safe Mode can help. Safe Mode starts Windows with only the essential drivers and services, making it easier to identify and troubleshoot problems that may be preventing Windows from starting normally. In this guide, I will show you how to boot Windows 11 into Safe Mode directly from the login screen. Let's get started. Boot Windows 11 into Safe Mode from the login screen. On the Windows login screen, look at the bottom right corner and click the power icon. Now press and hold the Shift key on your keyboard. While continuing to hold Shift, click Restart. Keep holding the Shift key until Windows restarts and displays the recovery options. When the Choose an Option screen appears, select Troubleshoot. On the next screen, click Advanced Options. Under Advanced Options, select Startup Settings. You may see a message explaining that you can change Windows startup behavior. Click Restart. Your computer will restart and display a list of startup options. From the Startup Settings screen, press F5 on your keyboard to select Enable Safe Mode with Networking. Windows will now restart and boot into the Safe Mode environment. If Windows asks you to sign in, enter your account password and continue. Safe Mode with Networking can be particularly useful if you need internet access to download a driver, check an account, or troubleshoot a Windows component. Once you have finished troubleshooting in Safe Mode, you can restart Windows normally. Right-click the Start button and select Shutdown or Sign Out. Choose Restart. Windows should now boot normally instead of returning to Safe Mode. If you still have trouble signing in after restarting, you can use Safe Mode to investigate recently installed drivers, applications, or other changes that may be causing the login problem. And that's how you can boot Windows 11 into Safe Mode directly from the login screen. This can be especially useful when you are unable to access the desktop and need to troubleshoot a startup, driver, or login related problems. I hope this guide helped you get back into Windows and identify what was causing the issue. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the Windows Club, and stay tuned for more Windows tips, tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.